What's up guys, Semi aka Junior here bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here guys, I'm gonna suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, you go ahead and click on that like button, hit the subscribe button, and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you never want to miss out anything we do on this channel. We do a lot of great stuff, everything from product review to live streaming and everything else in between, so you don't want to miss. The genre area that I land on guys, you guys know, is gaming, tech, and cars. Those are the three categories that I mostly hit, and I don't want you to miss out any of that stuff because we do a lot of great stuff. And we got some bonus stuff also at times that we review, just an extra bonus stuff that I feel that is good for the channel, for people to know. So I'm glad you're here. But anyways, what that said is, today I'm gonna go over a item that I was able to get on the TikTok shop. And as you see, we're in my garage. I'm sitting right in front of my car. So you know it is a tool for the car or a product for the car. But it is a tool that I was able to get my hands on. I saw it on TikTok shop. I thought it was a great tool to have, especially for all my mechanics out there. As you guys know, a lot of stuff on your car is controlled by your computer and timing and everything. So everything runs all in one sequence. And to have everything run in sequence, it has fuses, it has relay switches, has plugs, has sensors, it has all type of stuff. Like your headlights here has relay sensors and fuses. If one of them goes bad, your headlights are not working. Same thing with the starter, same thing with the ignition coil, your AC system, your fuel, all that is controlled by fuses, computer, and relays. And to help you determine what is the problem, because there's times that I know I've been in a situation that my AC hasn't been working or my headlights haven't been working. And the first thing I do is I check the fuses first. First thing you should ever check is check the power source to make sure it's getting power. I get to points that I'm getting power to the device, but why it's not working? And then I try to hot wire the device, like the headlights or the condenser for the AC, and they turn on. So I know it's not that. So other things that I've figured out that might be is relay switches. But there isn't a real way to test relays individually without tools. And that's what I'm gonna be talking about today. Is this tool right here that I got in my hand, that I got it from the TikTok shop. I'll leave a link to it down below so you guys can get to it. I don't know if it'll work on PC, but if you're on your phone, you click on it, you can buy it directly from the TikTok shop, and you can get it right here, guys. This is awesome. I'm also gonna have a video of this on my TikTok. It is different from the name on here. The name on my TikTok is the S2K Semi. Same thing, not really a big difference. Just I replaced the tech with the S2K because I am in the S2K community, as you see, S2000 car. And then my nickname, Semi. So it's on there. So if you want to check me out, follow me there. That's great. If not, it's okay. But here, I got it from the shop, and it's a great way to test your relay. It's very simple. So it comes in this little bag. It doesn't come in an official box. You know how you buy stuff from TikTok shop? It's like you buying stuff directly from Alibaba or any of those Chinese places, Chinese part places, whatever you want to call it. That's where you get it from, and and it doesn't really have an official box at most of the time. It usually comes in just in their shipping bag and this bag right here like this. So for me, it came out like this. It's not really too much to unbox, but to show you what everything comes in this bag right here, this bag right here, you got the whole device right here. In the back, you see there's a manual how to use it, but it's very simple, but that's all that's in here. All right, so we're gonna take it out. All right, again, the manual is right here if you ever wanted to use it right there. And then the whole device itself is right here. Very simple, not much to go over, so this video is not gonna be super long. So basically, what you do is hook up this to your battery. As long as your battery has power, you're good. This is black for your negative and red for your positive. If you're not sure what the red and black is and you're colorblind, guys, don't worry. On here, I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can focus in. You have your positive and your negative symbols right there, so you're good to go there. So even you can't be tricked. All right. So this is how the device works. So once you plug it up, you'll turn it on right here. You'll turn it on right here, and then you basically put either it's a 4-pin or a 5-pin. I don't know if you can see it right there. Maybe zoom it in so you guys can see. You see it says 5-pin and 4-pin. Because there's two sets of relay switches, one that comes with 5 pins and one comes with 4 pins. So you just gotta pick the one. It's very simple and simple. It's pretty self-explanatory on that part, all right? And this is the layout ones that you can put it on. So there's 3 configurations that you could put it on. You got this one here, which is a 5 pin. This is also a 5 pin or 4 pin, depending how it plugs in. And then you got this relay. So 3 different types of relay you can hook up here. Now, when you test it, which I will show you in a second, this will light up red if it's a bad one. If it's good, it'll light up green. So basically, you pick the pin you want, hook this up to the battery, and then plug it in, whichever one you pick, and then you hit test. Once you hit test, that'll be red or green, depending on how the thing is. My relays right now are good, so I'm not able to show you a bad one, but hopefully if I plug this in and I don't put no relay, it could tell me it'll be red because there's no connection. So let's go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna put the camera in front of the car so you can see what I'm doing. All right, I'll be back in a second. All right, guys, so right here, when we're into my engine bay, I know you can't see it too much, but you can tell right here is my battery. Positive for red, black for negative, there. Right here, I have one of my fuse boxes. There's another one on that side over there, but that one's small. But this one has relay switches. I'm gonna show you what a relay switch looks like. We open this cover up real quick. Take that up, put it aside. And you can tell they're relay switches because you can't see inside them. So you have these fuses, there's different types of fuses. You got these fuses here that are color, but then you can see inside because you see if there's a connection broken or not. Let me see if I can bring it up closer so you guys could tell. So if you can see inside, there's like a little brass thing inside. If that's broken, that means the fuse is broken. That's one type of fuse there. And then I have the other type of fuse that I have here, which let me grab some pliers because I'm not gonna be able to take it out with my hands. All right, so I'm gonna bring this one out here. We have, these fuses are the most familiar ones that everybody's aware of. These fuses here, and you see right in the middle, there's a solid connection with the metal. That means it's a good fuse. So if that's broken, that means the fuse is bad. So those are ways you could check on your fuse. It's very, very simple, not hard to do, all right? But when you look inside your fuse box, and this is in any car, you also have these. These are solid black connections with some prongs at the bottom. And as you see, this one has 4 prongs. So this is a 4-pin relay switch. Very, very simple. So that's how I can tell you it's a 4 or 5 pins. You just count the pins on it. Very simple. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple. This is what you want to test when something goes. If you want to see if your relay is bad, you check this and put it in whatever port it fits. I think it's going to fit in this one. So I'm going to put it right here. Plug it in there. Once it's in there, as you can see, I'm gonna bring it up close so you guys can see. I plug it in there, and I'll make sure this is on a 4-pin. So right there in the toner, I double checked and make sure that it's in a 4-pin configuration. Now, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna plug up my negative to my negative. And I'm gonna bring my positive to my positive. And as you see, it's testing right now and it's lighting up green. You can hear it's testing. When you hear the clicking sound, it means it's testing. So I'm gonna hit test again. You hear the clicking sound, right? Because I have a mic right by my shirt. You can hear that clicking sound. That means that it's testing it. So if it's blinking green, that means it's good. Very, very awesome. Look at that. Simple as that. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. So I'm gonna disconnect it. And if I do it, it can't test it. I'm gonna take it out. And you know this one is good, so I'm gonna put this one back. So I'm not gonna take out every one of my fuse my relays in here because I know they all work. But I'm gonna see if this will work when there's no relay inside. See how it turned red? Because there's no connection. I don't know if you can see it because of the light. But you see it's red. That means there's nothing active connections. If I hit test, it's not gonna work because there's no active connection going on. So guys, this tool is very inexpensive. I think I got it for like 15 bucks in the TikTok shop. Prices changes all the time, so you might want to check on it yourself. but this is an awesome tool. It's not an everyday tool in sincerity, but if you work on your cars enough, like I do, I work on my cars a lot. This can come in handy to diagnose your vehicle and narrow down errors that's going on in your vehicle. Simple as that. All right, guys, so that's it. That's all the video is. I just wanted to show you what this cool tool is, and hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video and everything that I showed you today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring, and we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so to the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications, so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. And that's it. Until next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.